So, basic differentiation rule, may 5 rule. Constant multiple, power rule, addition and subtraction rule, sine and cosine rule. So, sa constant rule is may given tayo na, may problem tayo na find the derivative of f of x equals to 7. So, sa constant rule, anything na constant is always equals to 0. So, f of x is equals to 0. So, anything na maging number na dyan, na walang variables is magiging 0. Yung derivatives niya. Next is constant multiple rule. Sa constant multiple rule naman, meron tayong problem na find the derivatives of f of x is equals to 5x cubed. So, dito, ang gagawin natin is i-derivatives lang natin itong g of x, tapos ita-times lang natin siya dito sa ating constant. So, 5 times derivatives nitong x cubed is 3x squared. Tapos, ita-times lang natin itong 5 times 3. So, 15x cubed. Ito na yung sagot. So, sa power rule naman, ang kinuha kong given is find the derivatives of f of x is equals to x to the power of 5. Sa power rule ay may sinusunod tayong rule. Then, formula pala. May sinusunod tayong formula na f of x is equals to n times x is, to the power of n minus 1. So, yung n na tinutukoy natin dito, itong 5 yon. Tapos, itong x natin, na may ano dito, ang tawag dun? Invisible 1. So, ang n natin is 5 times x lang kasi nandito kung may number dito, isasama din natin. Pero wala. So, ang n natin is 5 din, minus 1. So, 5x 4. So, sa addition and subtraction rule, ang kinuha kong problem is find the derivative of f of x is equals to 3x squared plus 2x minus 1. Tsaka yung 4x cubed minus 3x plus 12. So, dito, ikukunin lang na muna natin yung derivatives nitong 3x squared tsaka 2x minus 1. So, derivatives nito is 9x, f of x is equals to, f prime of x na pala yan. So, f prime of x is equals to 9. Derivatives niya, 9x plus 2. 9x. Tapos, derivatives nito, ito na lang kasi may minus 1. So, ito na yung sagot. So, dito naman, ganun din. Hanapin mo lang yung derivatives nito at saka nito. So, yung derivatives niya is 16x squared and minus 3 minus 1. So, etong constant is wala na. Dito din wala na. So, sine and cosine naman, ang kinuha ko problem is find the derivative of f of x is equals to sine x plus cosine x. So, sa sine and cosine, may sinusunod tayo na ang derivative ng sine is cosine, which is f prime of x is equals to cosine x. At ang derivatives ng cosine is negative sine. So, mapapalitan na to ng sine x. So, tapos na.